Gotta start the YouTube stream, and then we're gonna do a Discord announcement. I'm gonna remember, okay? Chat, I'm gonna remember. For once. Okay, well, classes at university. Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. One sec. Let's begin some tunes. There we go. Nice. What's up, Shoot? Except teach for Prez. Yeah. Really took them because of your streams. Haven't heard about. Oh, nice, KV. Nice. Oh, yeah. Teach for president. In a few years, chat, we can run. I want to be the first Twitch streamer to be the head of a nation, you know? That's my goal. That's what it all started out as. Because I write a separate message reel when I go live on Discord than what I write everywhere else. The Blue Long. Prestige Twitch streaming president. Exactly. I have all the answers to solve all the world's problems immediately. Obvious. I can't feel like it's kind of obvious. Number 1, outlaw JavaScript. Number 2, implement Teachcoin as a real currency. We're set, boys. We got it all. It's finished after that. It's finished. Policies complete. What do you need to do? President of the people, yeah. Exactly. Teach to the moon. Thank you, Em. What's up, buddy? Hey, Otku. Hey, thanks for the prime. Appreciate that. Yo, what's up, Josh? All right, so let's see. We were let's exit out of Steam. Not gonna play Balatro right now. Nice try, chats. We are not gonna do x.com right now. We are gonna figure out how do we get Twitch chat messages to show up here. That's where we are. MVAL, the default even for managers. Exactly. Subteach this in Balatro. I know. I just closed down Steam to make sure we don't accidentally do it. Developers. Okay, is this working? Test. Did we set this? Where? Am I running this right now? I thought we had Twitch chat going here. All right. Well, we have this problem where it doesn't always play the next notification. That part is confusing. Why doesn't it play the next one? Doesn't First Amendment contradict JS ban? No, it's definitely like, I know we can't agree on what hate speech is, but okay. I think we can all agree that JavaScript is hate speech. So I think that makes sense.
Properly tail recursive.
Okay, why aren't these queuing up? Something is wrong with the queue here. We're not getting the proper queuing, so maybe I have to turn this manually on and off.
The missile knows where it is at all times. It knows this because it knows where it isn't. The missile knows where it is at all times. It knows this because it knows where it isn't.
What is T-genomics exactly? Okay, nice. I don't know why this part is confusing. Why is this happening? We should figure out why this is happening, right? Let's go to our overlay page. Notification. We should be getting... Oh, you know what? Do I have it where when the current one is here, this actually shouldn't be like this? I think this should be we pop one off of here. Because when we do current notification later, let me see, chat. Let me see. Let me hodl down to here. I don't remember where this is in the file. Here we go. If it's nothing, we put it in here. Otherwise, we queue it. So I think we need to pop this. I missed all the other streams. OCaml to be the national language. Exactly. I'm a free speech absolute, but JavaScript isn't speech. Exactly. It's like threatening to kill someone. What are you trying to do again? I don't fully... Can I ask questions? You can ask questions. I don't know if I'll answer them. Taking your course on C-Boot Dev, going to develop an OS. Oh, nice. Very cool. What about ZZ? Yeah. Many different ways to quit NeoVim. Many different ways. What's up, RJaz? Good to see you. Okay, so I think this actually might be the problem. So I think what we need to do, we said current queue peak notifications. What does, I actually want queue dot drop returns queue to this result or removing the front. What happens if this is an error? What if there's nothing inside of here? Then it does an Erlang empty error. Is there drop without error? Or do I just need to catch it? Are you giving us Django project streams? Why Django, by the way? Good point. Good point. Because that's what's, I think, messing things up right here. I think that's the problem. We'll ask ChatGPT for that one. What was that song? Chasing Daylight? How to drop an item from a queue in Erlang without erroring if the queue is empty. Teams. It's not me, dude. I'm not the one who set up these notifications. You know what I mean? That's on chat, dude. Case, queue. Oh, it just returns empty. No, that's not. Queue out. Out? Removes the front item and returns suitable value item where queue item is this and Q2 is this. Queue is empty, then empty. Oh, okay, that's what we want. That's what we want. We want to go queue out notifications. Yeah, okay. Queue out notifications. And that's going to return to us either a value in item Q2 or empty in a Q1. Okay, so that would be like this. Notifications. Okay, nice. The jump scare's working. Otherwise, it's just
we're bouncing all over the place, hitting the
notifications. Okay, nice. So now we go like this, and we say current notifications like this. Okay, so let's try this. We'll refresh this and see if this works. Oh, we're focused. Okay, Chad, I think I fixed it. Oh, we're focused now. I get baited by it every time.
Say your mental focus is. Oh,
is there a clang LP? Yeah, there is. I'm in the toilet and working remotely. That's funny. Chat, we solved it. That was why. It all makes so much sense now. Stop aging me, I'm still young. Not the Skype sub sound, yeah. It does not contain inline assembly. It's not really the focus of it. It's more about learning how to do memory management shenanigans. I think this will reload this page. Yeah, nice. And that reloads chat. Thanks, ChatGPT. Okay. Okay, that's good. So now what we need to do is we need to remove this chat, and we'll replace it with ours. Please add the iPhone alarm sound. Anyone can add any sound they want. You just add a theme song. It's somebody's theme song. That's what's playing. Like, that's what's playing. Hey, Daddy, are you complaining about discounts? I could make it more expensive. I thought about making it more expensive. I thought about making it 11,000 points just for the convenience of buying them in bulk. Timed out. Get out of here. As this is a convenience economy. Yeah, you have to be a sub though to get a sound. Okay. So now we have to fix a lot of things because right now you can't see anything, right? Let's go to chat. AM chat container. It's really not an AM chat container anymore. And then this is going to be, how do I make this align to the right? This has got to be like, is it just, cause I want to put all of these to the right, but you guys can't even see anything. We're gonna in a second, but chat is faster sometimes. Text left. That doesn't make sense. No, I mean, I want literally the boxes to be aligned to the right. So I have it in flex color, but this thing needs to be like flex, or like items right or something like this. Align right. I don't know what it is. I thought that I had Tailwind LSP working for this. This isn't gonna work either. I was silent. Yeah, we'll just ask how to write align divs with Tailwind. Now chat has lost the game. This great quality content. That's what I'm saying. ML Auto. Oh, ML Auto. Interesting. Inside of Flex, you can apply ML Auto to push it to the right. Okay, we can try that. How to center a div? Well, kind of not really. I'm going to align it. Kek W. Okay, nope. So that's what I thought. That just puts that inside of this one. So we need this inside of a bigger div. More divs, chat. More divs. That's what I need. We need more divs. Then this one is class, is flex, right? And then this should be ML Auto. And then this one should be here. That's all you need is just more divs and you'll solve the problem. Kek W. Nope. That didn't do it either. That doesn't seem right at all. Text right. No. Flexbox. Justify end. Justify end. Let's try that. Wait, which one does it go on? In the parent or no? Okay, we'll try this. Justify end. Nope. Flex. Just. Oh, I need to say W full. W full, right? Probably something like this to tell it to take the whole side. There we go. Now we're talking, right? I gotta tell it W full to go the full size. Okay, look at that, chat. Now we just say see you later to J chat. Now we've got R chat. I've solved Tailwind. It's like custom chat extension. It's more than that. It's a whole economy. It's a whole economy, chat. All right, we don't need this one anymore because we're not using it. That's fine.
We need to raise money.
I put all our money in Bitcoin. We're good. Cool. What else?
That's such a good one. Okay, so the next thing though is we need to do this so that this doesn't get refreshed every time. It's time for a new server. It's time for a new server. It's time to make server chat. It's time to make server chat. Okay. Yoink all of this. Chat EX. Okay. Boom, boom. Chat. Okay. Great. Why is I was playing around with all of the Elixir LSPs last night, and of course, when I was doing that, I broke everything. Teach for president. Build back buggier. Exactly. Make bugs great again. Can we redeem the coins now? They won't really do a lot right now, so I would probably hodl. I would probably hodl. Inappropriate sound effects. There's this thing, it's called permabanning. So if you do something stupid, you get permabanned for life. And you had to pay $5. So, what are you gonna do? We've had sound effects for months. Are we in front of Teach? No, of course not. I would never do something stupid. Well, yeah, they do things stupid, but then we there's also Twitch wide ban. Yeah, if it actually is against TOS, then I'll just report you and get you banned like permanently for off Twitch. You know what I mean? All right, so here we go. So what did we do for notifications? We did basically the same idea here, which is we need to make this for, okay, first before we do this, we probably should go back. Let's go ahead and go back to overlay. We need to change these backgrounds to be not fully like white so that you can't see anything here. How do we make them transparent? How can I put borders around text? Is it possible to outline text with Tailwind and CSS only? I want just the text to be outlined. Wrap the text in a span. Text outline. Ooh. Text outline like this, chat? Is this a real thing? I can just do this. You can just make text shadowed like this. Text shadow. Text, or wait, I wanted to go, yeah, text shadow. Text shadow allows adds shadows to text. Oh, it's so easy. We can try adding this. I don't know about that. Okay, so there are text shadow. Does Tailwind not have any? Well, I don't want to do it like this. I want to do like something. No, none of those. None of those. I want one where it's just got a shadow of like a black line around white text. Louis? What's up, Louis? Very 2010. Let's see if they've got docs, text, shadow, drop shadow. I want a stronger like outline, basically. That's what I want. You know what I mean? I'm doing great. Like, I don't want it to be a shadow. I want it to be, do you know what I mean? Marquee, that's not, but border doesn't work. Border won't work around the text. I want it like this, right? Like if I want to have, like if this was, I want a letter T like this, and then I want right around it like this. Okay. Just like this, basically. If it could look like my handwriting, that'd be even cooler. No, that's not what I wanted to do at all. Dang it. So that you can read it without a background, right? Because the problem is if I just do black text or I just do, there's no one color of text that we can do that will work on every background, right? It's a really thin shadow. Okay. So I just need to add this as my own. So let's see. I should have a tail. I thought I had a Tailwind CSS thing. Tailwind config JS. Okay, it says I can put this in. No, there's got to be an easier one for this where I can put this without doing this shenanigans. Isn't there an easier way to put custom classes and with apply or something like that in Tailwind? Text shadow with Tailwind CSS. Ooh, nice. Oh, well, I don't want to write this. Extend. There we go. Wait, what the heck? Why do I have to write? Why do I have these other things? What is all of this in here? I mean, we can write this, I guess. Theme. Okay, we'll put it in here and we'll see what happens. Theme, extend. Text shadow. It doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right. But we'll go for it here. And then we need to go plugins. Really? All of this? When you write fonts on your config? Yep. There's no way that this is still the way to do this, right? Like, I think we'll just leave it this way. It's fine. Do I need to reload this whole thing? I don't know if this will reload this. So if I go to here, you're saying I go to overlay now. I can say inside of this chat section here, we can say text shadow and shadow red 500. Keep typing things, chat. That doesn't seem like it worked at all. I can't see it very well, but it doesn't look good. It doesn't look like it did anything. Inside assets, CSS, app, CSS. Oh, that's right, because I did this. I forgot that I did this move because I was tired of this. I was tired of compiling this. I forgot. I forgot, Chad. I forgot that I did this. Oh, I forgot. Oh, nothing to see here, boys. Yeah, we're gonna add them, Nightshade. I forgot though. So that's a problem. So we need to just do it. I need to just add these as regular classes, right? So I can just do this. I can just go to here, right? And I could say this. Text outline. And then go text outline. I forgot. Test. Actually, oh, okay. There we go, chat. Nice. Look at it's perfect. It's actually perfect, chat. I don't think I even need to change it at all. I think we don't even need to change it at all. It looks so good now. It looks really good now, I feel like, you know? I can ledge it. I didn't put undoing common list project. Not really. Elixir streams mostly writes CSS. I want refund. What is this? This is Elixir. Okay, so this obviously is not that good of a shadow. It's not that good of a shadow. Let's change this to say, dude, this shadow is impossible to read. Try again with a better shadow configuration, and also make it look good with white text inside and black text, black outline. All right, we'll give it a go. We'll give it a go. I'm not sure I believe it, but we'll give it a go. Oh, did it just switch? Oh, that's actually not as bad now. That's not so bad. So let's change our background to nothing. It's actually not too bad. No thick chat. Maybe we'll still allow people to switch it with channel points or something. Okay, so now I'm here. Let's go to a page with like lighter. We probably should just make it a, oh, here you go. Oh, nice. Nice, chat. Nice. That actually looks kind of good. You can even read it here. Change the background to be 50% opaque. Do we need that? I think I'm just going to change it so that the text maybe comes closer together or something. Because I don't think we necessarily need a line for every single time. I think that way looks pretty all right. I think we need maybe, if shadows look good, then we don't need it, right? Quite a lot of empty space. That's what I'm thinking as well. Too much empty space. Too much empty space. You still have a shadow underneath the transparent element, I think. Full here shadow. Yeah, we don't need that. Bonk. You can remove the box shadowing? Yeah, I think so. Bold. Thick. Bold. Drop all data. No! I think we need to make the font size a little bit bigger as well.
It's called Vim, and I've never had a whiter wash.
What about meme style area with black and white outline? Well, we can get some different CSS styles maybe later. Actually, it really looks not so bad. But it does seem like too much empty space. Too much empty space, I do feel like. I was wondering the last few weeks if you would say you have a main text app or web. It just depends on the project. Shadow was over the text, now it's much cleaner. Yeah, now it's good. Now it's good. But I don't know how we want to do it. So like, because I kind of like having everybody's picture. I like having the picture, but I think it just doesn't work really. You know? Let's see, what are options here? So it's like, okay, let's say we've got... Why is this? How do I make this wider? Oh, here we go. Okay. Okay. So let's say you've got, this is like the amount of space that it could happen. What if we put their picture right here, and then their name here, and then a colon, and then we start the message here, and it just wraps around like this if it needs to. What do you guys think about this? Because I kind of like having the picture. I think it's a little bit fun. Right? So we just get it so that this goes to here, and we might have to... Yeah, we'll see. We'll try that. We'll try that. All right, so this needs to go here. Break words. P2 rounded width full. Delete this. Delete this. Delete this. We'll try this. Dude, what is going on? What? Oh, I left one too many divs here. There we go. Sorry, chat. Sorry, chat. Flashbang. Oh, we need to make this be left aligned now too, right? What's up, Bassy?
Oh, what am I saying?
Maybe we should turn the text a little bit bigger too. Text XL, text large maybe. That doesn't seem right. XL. Is that even, did that even change? Did it even change? I guess I couldn't tell. What other text do I have? Text blue. Div class items here. Break words, P2, rounded W with full item start. Switch chat API free? Yeah. 3XL? I mean, we can try it. We can try bigger ones. Let's see. That's definitely bigger. That's probably like, realistically, that's a better size, I would say. Flex. Do we even want flex now? I'm trying to think. Overflow hidden, break words. It's probably plenty big for mobile screen users. Yeah. Mic check. 1, 2. Add gaps. Right, gap. That's the one that I always do the opposite. I always do P, but I mean gap, I feel like. W10 rounded full. We might have to change the size of these. Or ML, MX. What? That's not looking too bad, actually. That's not looking too bad. That looks bad, though. I will say that looks bad. It doesn't wrap around or back around, though. Okay, how do I make it so that how do we make it so that these go back and wrap around? I mean, I guess it makes sense right now because we have flex, right? So it's drawing it like this, right? It's going like here and then this one. And then this one. So this one just stays in this side. CSS moments. Yeah, exactly. Dude, I'm learning a lot about CSS lately. What's up, Jordan? Good to see you. Use float left for avatar. Float left, okay? Float left, like this. Long message. Nope. And then delete the flex too. For the name too? Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's actually pretty good. We just need to make it go to the left now. We need to make it get left aligned, right? Text justification? Probably, right? Is it just text left? I don't remember what the tailwind is. I don't know why my LSP info. I thought that I had tailwind. Tailwind says that it's connected and working on the buffer. Oh, I used to have a different thing for this. Oh, I got to do this. All right, let's see. So we got to go here. Include languages. Init options. I don't know if this still works or not, I guess, but we can try. We'll try this. We'll try that. And then this was in 20. Is this still right? I don't know. We'll try that. Include languages. Because is this not... This seems like these should be... I don't know. We'll try this, though. We'll give that a run. Text left is correct. All right, let me just reset everything here. I don't know why. I got to figure that out, too. I was just testing out the different, the different Elixir LSP last night, and I scuffed some stuff up for it, but I think it's okay. All right, so let's go back to here. I thought that I would see, text. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking, chat. That doesn't quite seem right, though. It doesn't seem right, though, right? Like, we want it to get wrapped all the way to the left. I don't even know what that would be. Oh, that's stupid. I put it in the wrong spot. That makes sense. I put it in the wrong spot. You like Elixir more than OCaml for web dev? Well, I can get more done in Elixir because there's a lot more things done. I think I like OCaml better. There we go. Now we're talking. The problem is this is a little too tall, so it does a goofy thing there. Like OCaml mixed with Elixir. Too many brackets for me. Not enough ML. Not ML enough for me. Maybe div the image and username together. Not like this. Literally can't please everyone. Yeah, we could try and put these guys together. It seems like this is not centered, right? Like, I want this to be centered in line. Right? I don't know. Well, this is okay for right now. It's all over. Yeah, we need to give them a little bit more spacing between each other, don't we? Make the new div a flex div. Okay. Oh, yeah, right. Flex. I'm Dutch, by the way. AC teaches back to the one true programming language. Oh, we're getting closer now. We're getting closer. Keckle. Except we got farther away. Item center. Yeah, okay, I've got that already. Nope. See, I don't know that this is going to work because then this makes these go onto a different line. Oh, this just probably need. Oh, this whole thing needs to be. Can this still be float like this? Float left. This whole thing. That doesn't make sense, does it? Inline flex. Oh, that kind of worked. Inline flex. What is inline flex? Because I want these to kind of just like... Oh no, you're using float. I feel like it's fine to use float in this scenario. They're all inside little boxes here, chat. I think it's going to be okay. But won't this doesn't work anymore because we have... Do I need gap to... There we go. That's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good. That's looking pretty good, chat. I fixed it. Gap up. Okay, nice. It's going great, Jojo. What about you? Okay, so let's see. Not time to implement emotes. I know. I was thinking, should we do emotes yet? Or should we do so like right now, this isn't good because it gets all the way down to the bottom. That's obviously not great. That's not good. We don't want that. We need to limit how tall it can be. You know? Max H. Can I do... How can I make it so that it takes up, say, 75%? Yeah, fade out would be cool. Limit how tall it can be. Yeah. Right, can't I do this with max H or something? I can also do it with pixels. I don't want to do it with any rems. 74 VH. Like this? Really? This is a much longer message. Send long messages, chat. Send some long messages. Let's see what happens. Max H dash this slash here. Will that work if I'm just using the CDN, by the way? Do we need to go figure out the... Do I need to go actually figure this out? All right, chat. Try again. Try again. Send your messages. No, that doesn't work either. It doesn't work at all. Thanks, Nightshade. Skill issues. All right, chat, I got it. It's not working. Okay? It's not working. Max H 80 then. Okay. Sound named Wales. Little from the Gogoch. Okay, no, so that doesn't work. Maybe we need to do something overflow here hidden too. Overflow Y hidden. Length greater than 20 hidden. Well, we kind of already have that. We only select the last 10 messages. Max age 75%. Yeah, I don't know if that one will work or not. Okay, nice. Max age 80. Okay, so now we can try this. Like this, you're saying? If name equals I'm so real, that's probably a good idea. Okay, no, it's really scuffed. It's really scuffed. I don't know what it's doing, but it's definitely broken. Oh, no, chat. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, let's pause this anyway. Actually, I have a better idea that I want to do anyways, okay? Let's do a different idea. Any excuse to spam, I know. Does it not scroll? It doesn't scroll. It doesn't do anything right now. So here's the next thing we want to do. I actually want it so that, okay, if this is my whole screen, right? We set up the text box like right here. Okay, like this. Okay, chat, are you well, you guys can't even see. There you go. Right? It's a lot of spam. I want the messages to come in like this. And then when a new message comes, right? It goes like this. This one goes to here. This one goes to here.
Properly tail recursive. Like,
Yes.
OCaml is actually my favorite.
Thank you, Real. That was so real. Is this your Elixir from OCaml? No. Just for this project, I use Elixir. I think it's good. Still like OCaml. Fixed height, first in, first out data structures. Exactly. Chat, so how can I do this? Do you guys even know what I'm saying? Right? Like we've got our little window. A message comes in here. And then it gets popped up afterwards. I did this in Blazor for my toast component. Okay. Don't you dare hide my messages. We also at some point need to handle when a message gets deleted, but it's fine. It's not taken out of context. It's not. OCaml's his favorite. It's as is the entire sentence. I should just ask v0.dev for this one, I feel like. I want a chat window that as a new chat comes in, it appears at the bottom of the window. Each of the existing messages is pushed up within the window to make room for the new message. After 15 seconds, the messages disappear with a cool animation. Fading animation. Yeah, we'll try this. You need to move scroll to bottom after each messages. Oh boy, we got some use client in here. Now we're talking. I just had them expire, not automatically delete. Well, we can do either one. Test. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's not really what I asked for. Kek W, not what I asked for. Okay. Okay, we need to let's go back up to here. Hello, V0. Okay, preview. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's got something scuffed about it. It's scrolling this window, chat. It's scrolling that window. The messages don't show up at the bottom of the window when they are sent. I want them at the bottom initially. Did you say Kek W to the bot? Yeah. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's see what happens. Do they disappear? How does this look? How long did I say? 15 seconds? Shouldn't they have disappeared by now? Oh, not bad. Not bad, V0. Not bad. Not bad. Yoink. Now messages need to be on the bottom. They were, yeah. Just starting with Phoenix, found a way harder to get started when compared to Laravel. Just not as much docs guides. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this might be a little bit harder. We might... Do we have to write... No, the newer message gets put on top. That's wrong. Oh, did it? Oh, did I? I wasn't paying enough attention. Hello? Next. Oh, good point. Yeah. The messages are not showing up in the right order. You correctly put the first message at the bottom of the screen, but the next message should also go to the bottom of the screen when it's inserted. But we can probably get there from here. So let's just take a quick peek at this, how this works. Animate presence. What the frame or motion? Oh no. Oh no, Chad. I don't know if we can go this crazy. Oh, nice, real. Also, why is this React and not okay? Well, true. Chat, we could write all of the front end in OCaml. That's actually not too hard. We could write all of our React components in OCaml. We could rewrite our React components in OCaml. Oh, one thing I've been looking for. Elixir? You did what? Inertia JS Elixir. Hear me out, chat. Keep sliding. Okay. Yoink. At keyframes. Inertia isn't that Laravel? No, that's only what noobs think. Because inertia is Elixir OCaml. Oh, Elixir. Inertia is independent of the backend. You just can create an adapter for the backend and an adapter for the front end. I'm doing great, Slammy. So you can make one like this for Phoenix. OCaml inertia one. Well, that's maybe what we're gonna do. We can have OCaml do the front end side next. That's what I'm saying. You know what I mean? Rewriting Haskell embrace new Roman over white paper and styling. Yeah, exactly. Inertia title, signs, page title, inertia head content, add content inertia, and rendering responses. Sweet. Thanks, Apso. Also known as lore. So what does this even look like? Setting up the client side, inertia JS docs. Replace the contents of your app.js file with the inertia boot function and rename it to app.jsx. Then the above, here app.js pages directory have default export command like this. Import React, export dashboard, blah, blah, blah. Share data. I don't know, Chad. I don't know. This is, oh my goodness. This would be such a detour. React, I'm in my current front end in React with SQL like compiled to WASM and DB stored in IndexedDB. Nice. Do you even need this? I think he's using JetDB to avoid reading docs. I'm reading the docs right now. Yeah, well, live view is great, but like, what if I want to do something goofy, like only on the client side? It just seems a lot harder. Rewrite in C#. Definitely not happening. Get ChatGPT to write it for you. I don't know if it will be able to. Use plain JS. Yeah, plain JS is fun as well. But I was just interested to know if I can make this happen. No idea you made telescopes. My favorite. Oh, nice. Yeah. Nice. F sharp, perhaps? Definitely not F sharp. Even less likely than C sharp. Live view hooks are great for this. Live view hooks. Okay, we have to go read about how to do this again. Because I have done this already. I wrote some hooks already. How's that fake Rails project coming along? Which one? What? Rails. Kotlin, final offer, yeah. No, if we were going to write front end... Oh, wait, or you're saying there is live React Elixir? Because then if we can do that, we could definitely just compile OCaml to React regular style. Phoenix on Rails, of course, yeah. Teachcoin's back. Yeah, they're kind of back. We're fixing more things though, so we're kind of like in flux at the moment. Live Svelte seemed interesting too. What does this even look like then? Oh, okay, okay. Update mix ESS and remove Tailwind and ES build plugins. Okay. Remove ES build and Tailwind from config. Update watchers to look like this. npm run dev cd path asset stir. Okay. Make SSR working with live React. Okay, if you don't want SSR in production, you skip the step. Sure. Confirm everything's working by rendering the default component anywhere in your dead or live views. Okay. React name simple. Enable stateful hot reload. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, we could use like Alpine JS or something too. Is fine. I was just interested to see what else is out there. Do 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 do. Live view hybrid live view and React. Live view render class React counter at count socket SSR true. Oh wow. Okay, let me think about this. Name counter is count socket. We pass the socket in. SSR true. Mount session socket. Assign count 10. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Count on ink on deck. You just click set count. Oh, wow. Okay. That's pretty surprising. Is inertia supported by Elixir? Yeah, it is. There's an example here for inertia. So the only thing is, if I'm gonna do this, I'm not gonna just write React for it. We're gonna write like Melange and OCaml for it instead. And I didn't know if I wanted to do all of that for inertia as well. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Okay, thanks, Tony. So the problem would be like if I have to do a ton of stuff for inertia to make this work, that seems kind of like a nightmare. You know what I'm saying? As opposed to like maybe doing something with just React is easier because I already have React in OCaml. Does that make sense? Like, I didn't necessarily want to do all of it. It just seems pretty annoying. But maybe we just try it with this way first and see how far we can get. Because how did we do this before? I know for sure we did... I think I'll create an adapt for it and go. I just wanted to do annoying parts of Vue and React. Ah, gotcha. Yeah. Media player. So where did we use media player? Okay, so we give them a hook here. So I can attach anything I want here with mounted before update, destroyed, disconnected, reconnected. Okay. So I could do something like this. Hooks.chat message. Mounted. And then I can do something like this. And I could say... I could just delete this ID, right? How can I just delete a DOM element here? Right, like this.l.id. I think I have some ID here, right? Remove on element. You're saying like this? Okay, we'll try this. Okay, and then here we say that this, we'd say maybe I'll put this. Where would I want? I'll put it after. PH hook is chat message. Right? Ah! What's the problem? Requires the Phoenix hook requires ID to be set. Aha! ID equals I don't have a good one here. Chat. Okay, so I need to add this basically. Okay. All right. So let's go back and we need to start. We just need to save an ID for each of the messages. We just haven't been doing that, but we need to. Let's go to chat handler. Let's go to where we get a message. String user ID text badges here def struct. Okay, so we don't have any IDs inside of here. We do get a unique ID from Twitch's endpoint. Yeah. ID is chat smells. No! No! How could you do this to me? All right, it's just a little bit annoying because I think if I go to here and we go select star from chat messages, limit 10. I have an ID in my database for each message. Single letter functions, idiomatic in Elixir. I guess it depends on the situation. I don't really see single letter functions very often. So how many chat messages do we have? 43,000? Oh, I'm a Dicino! What's up, buddy? It's going great. So I think we should save. It's just a little annoying going back and putting IDs in here. But it's okay, I guess. It's okay. It's not a huge deal. What's up, Alphaz? Good to see you. All right, so then that should be dev Twitch API here. We got to go back to event sub reference, twit or channel chat notification event. So this should have message broadcaster user ID Set ID, ID. No, not a version of the badge. Message ID right here. We haven't been doing anything with that, right? We handle message here. So we need message ID is event, and I'm pretty sure it's message ID, right? That's what we said. Okay. And we need to add what? Could just drop the table. Should we just drop the table, chat? I really don't want to think about having messages that could collide. You know what I mean? No, just the table, chat. I just rebuild the whole thing. Oh, the entire section. Oxy, hey, thanks. 27 months, that's crazy. No migration tools? There are, but what am I gonna... Why? I don't want to fill fake IDs in. I'm in YouTube chat. That's actually on my list. It's actually on the list as well. Right, so it's like, I just don't want to think about the scenario where we change the tech DB at this point. What other choice you got? Good point, Liver, good point. So I'm thinking of just dropping chat messages, right? And then rerunning drop table coins. No, that one I don't want to delete again. Timmy, drop tables incoming. Yeah, I know. Because where are my migrations? We have messages, create chat messages. Because this is all we have here, right? Can you just drop one table and migrate it back up? Well, that's kind of what I want to do. Yeah, that's what I'm saying basically, right? We should also think about while we're doing this, maybe where each message came from. You know? Because right now, Twitch has no way to fetch chat history. I don't really care. Like, I'm not doing anything with the chat history. So like, I don't mind dropping it completely. Like, I could just delete the table in a migration and then create a new one, right? There's also the problem of, like... This is not... Yeah, like, we need a source and origin as well. I haven't really thought about how to do this. Because right now, like, everything is just based on Twitch user, okay? Which obviously not that good if we want to go other places, but that's kind of a big ask to start on. But we could start it. We could start the fix. You're considering interleaving YouTube and Twitch chats? I've been thinking about other ways to create so for example, like YouTube users, even if I don't display their chat, they should still get a theme song. You know? Like, we've got YouTube members, they should get theme songs, I feel like, too. Backends, the reals didn't have it through their job. I didn't get the tables right. Yeah, I mean, that's just like, it is what it is. Do you like to nail an implementation first time, or do you prefer to do a quick and dirty one and then refactor? I mean, obviously, I prefer to get it perfect. Like, if I have a choice between the two, I'd like to do the one that's perfect. Okay. Maybe. All right. What are we really gonna do it? Are we bear user table, then join to a Twitch and YouTube table, then can be easily modified? Yeah. Yep. That's kind of what I'm thinking. We just made assumptions about things being Twitch users everywhere, but I think we can switch it around. So I'm thinking, what do we need to have? We need to have a user table. It needs to have some ID, obviously, UUID. It needs to have a Twitch ID, which I think is a UUID right now, or it's just a string, just a random string. Then we need we can add a YouTube ID string, right? And then eventually you could have like GitHub ID string and like X ID string like this, right? Yeah, exactly. Because then what we can do is we can let people link them somehow. Man, that's kind of like a lot of work, isn't it? I feel like probably Elixir has something for this, and it feels like there's something stuck in my eye, guys. Oh, Discord would be good. Yeah, Discord ID would be good. Feet TGs. Pigeon, that was a weak one. Okay, that one was pretty weak. That one was pretty weak, not gonna lie. Fatigues? I just I don't even get what it's a little weak. I'm saying I expect better than that from you. Like, I know you can do better than that. That's all I'm saying, you know? Control Y. There you go. I forgot that I turned this off for a while, so we'll turn this back on.
Actually, my favorite.
No, it's just Chuck Testa.
Control F, funny. Yeah. Okay. Let me think for a moment. I mean, this is what you would do, right? If you wanted to connect all these together, and then what would I let you do? I would let you go. I've done a whole authors in PHP. It wasn't fun. Not that it was difficult, it just wasn't fun. Yeah. So like, I feel like Elixir user or like Phoenix live view users. Does it have like a users thing? Like, does it have a way to manage or like auth, I guess? I'm going to roll my own auth. Oh no. Mix Phoenix Gen auth. I wonder if this is what we tried to do. And then it created a bunch of stuff we didn't want initially, but now we kind of want to do something similar to this, I think. User enumeration, case sensitivities, concurrent test, more about Phoenix Gen auth, additional resources. Because I don't think that this is exactly what we want, though. Yeah, this I don't think is exactly what we want, because this is something pretty different. Like, I don't really want you to have user table and social profile tab that has many relations. Yeah. Because the main problem right now would be like, okay, it would be, I guess, like, it would be nice if you could log in with Twitch and then link YouTube, right? But then we probably also want to do login with YouTube and then link Twitch, right? So it's kind of like you have to make an account. We've been migrating to Citadel at work. Been nice existing auth, completely unrelated to this. Nice. There's Guardian, Elixir. Want to suggest message ID, UID, origin, originate? Similar, yeah. Okay, Elixir auth, nice. So Elixir Marines functional system integrates the plug, but can be used outside of it if your TCP blah blah blah. Core Guardian is a token. Which includes Guardian's functionality and the code for encoding these. Okay, sure. Skill issue, gotta go. Good luck with Auth. Yeah, thank you, thank you. All right, I'm looking, Frito. Thank you. My encode and sign, decode and verify. Also look into Uber Auth. Uber Auth Elixir. Okay. We'll check out both real quick. My sign in, sign out to remember current token, current claims, current resource. But does this doesn't have anything like, hey, this has like Twitch integration or something like that. Like when I did what was it called? Socialite in Laravel, it was awesome. Next Auth, I don't think that's where we're gonna need it. There are plugins for Uber Auth. Okay, let's check this out then. Or this is more like Uber Auth or something. I don't know. So inspired by Omni Auth. Interesting. Okay. Control auth flow collecting information. It does not authenticate each request. That's up to your application. You could issue a token or put this, blah, blah. Oh, okay, so they could be used together. They could be used together. Okay. Oh, sweet. So it's like, there's no Twitch one? There's no YouTube one? What? Well, then it kind of defeats a little bit of the purpose for me, though. Here's anyone who keeps making random stuff like me, never sticking to one project, always thinking that they're working on won't go anywhere. Yeah, I mean, but it depends what you're looking for. Lots of people start stuff and don't finish. You get to build those. There's Zoom. We can do that. True, I can just make you guys all log in with Zoom. Smart. It's a good point. It's a good point. I hadn't thought about that. I hadn't thought about it. I don't think I want to do this. The other option is you could just log in separately. You know what I mean? Like, oh, that's smart. Then I can log in and I can type their token in manually. I do kind of like that as a strategy. It's pretty secure. No one's allowed to look inside your mail. So not that bad of an idea. Not that bad of an idea. Before I forget, I know that I have a meeting later today. What time is it? Okay, 3. As an identifier, require one social security number just in case. Yeah. You never know when we're going to need to authenticate that it's really you. Ah, man, I don't know. I'm not sure I want to do this. I can't believe they don't have Twitch. We'll have to give password. I'll accept it. I'll accept it. Is there no Twitch? Uber Auth? Battle.net? Okay, sweet. So someone does have one 7 years ago. What are the odds that this still works? I guess maybe. Like, how often does that change? I could probably copy most of it and probably get it in. Yeah, it's just usually some OAuth pattern, yeah. Which makes sense. So they wouldn't be that hard to get, probably. Custom social layer super on these probably are too. Yeah. Make a new startup for Y Combinator. Oh. But where's the AI? That doesn't even make any sense. We haven't even added AI into it at all. Auth.ai. Ooh, it just guesses. It just guesses your token. I like OCaml more than Elixir, but I also like Elixir quite a bit. How about Z Combinator? Z Combinator? I don't know. I don't know if I want to do this. This is another one. There's a different one. Talk to me, Goose Man. 7 months ago. Oh, now we're talking. Oh, nice. Nice. What's nice text formatting? What are you talking about? Oh, up here. Oh, my text. Why no Haskell? Just not for me. Hello, Harish. Okay, so maybe we could use this then. Let me go read this again, since there is one for Twitch, and let me see if I understand how this works. Use stroke? No, I'm talking about no, we used text shadow. And we just put a little bit of black around the white text, and it's pretty simple. That's it. It's literally like 4 lines of CSS. Maybe a little more. Oh, sorry, 8 lines. Okay. Strategies. Okay, so that part makes sense. Request phase. Request phase will request information about the user. This could be a redirect to an auth to auth URL or a form for collecting username and password. Only the collection of information. We'll see if handle request call. I don't like how chat is off at the bottom. Me neither. Don't worry, it's not done. One of your streams, big fan. Oh, hey, thanks, Harish. Just showing like login. Pass is your pass. Email equals foobar. Log into that app. Now we're talking. Why do I go more than Elixir? Yeah, it's types. Yes, I like the type system. But Elixir has a lot of really great stuff in the ecosystem, and the language is quite. I think it's quite beautiful. I would not mind it to be less dynamic. It's not how I would write it, but like it's good. I'm excited for 1.18. Crazy Chicken Head, welcome. Okay, so add the dependency, sure. We add this, then we mix dips, sure, yep. Now we add providers, so I would add a Twitch, Uber Auth strategy, Twitch, some options here, yep. Once you've set up your providers and your router need to configure the plug to run, yep, plug Uber Auth, that makes sense. Its URL matching is done being parameter rather than explicit. Runtime checks or strategy will only file for relevant requests. Yep. Customizing path. Sure, it doesn't really matter. /auth is fine with me. Isn't Elixir like DHA's nightmare come true? I don't think so. Elixir is like inspired by Ruby in a lot of ways. What's up, Sally? So how do they have like, does anyone have a small example project with Uber Auth that shows like how this, oh, looking for an example. Here we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. Let's take a quick peek, shall we? And let's see if we can understand what's going on here. Yeah, but it's heavy on P and strongly typed, at least compared to Ruby. No, I don't think so. It's not really strongly typed, I don't think. Example web. Like, it's not strongly typed. Phoenix hooks always mess me up, like the cleanups for events and stuff. I always run into race conditions. Tried it early on, though. Might be better now. Phoenix hooks. Are you saying in the front end? I'm gonna chino. View router, view helpers. Okay, nothing that interesting. Yeah, the front. I see what you're saying. Application start. Yeah, that's fine. Pub sub endpoint. Yep. Okay. Start by calling a worker. Sure. Okay. Then opt strategy 1-for-1 name. Okay. Yeah. User from auth. Okay. So let's see this. Did I just miss a call? Sorry, one sec. Okay. Oh, that okay. Interesting. Okay. I'll have to deal with that later. That's fine. All right. So find or create. Valid pass. Auth credentials. Basic info. Auth. Sure. Okay. Avatar from Auth. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Yep. I'm following. I really need to write more functions like this. For whatever reasons, I thought it's like FP typed Ruby. No. It's much more just like FP Ruby. Are you and Prime going to be doing Elixir stuff? I've been doing Elixir stuff for months. Do you have Misery on? Not right now. Is that Avante? Yeah, but I'm not really using it. I should really turn it off until I properly am starting to do it. Avatar from Auth. Needs to find avatar URL. Okay, right. So it's like, okay, this one didn't have an avatar URL. Sure. Basic info. Auth, UID, name, avatar. Got it. Okay. Yep. Name from Auth, if info name, enum filter this, not equal this, valid pass. Okay, sure. So this, I don't really... But where would you do something like where you put a user like into the database? 20 years ago. I think Prime's gonna supposedly start it like next week or in a few weeks or something, but I don't know. Config. Where is config UberAuth providers? Strategy, Facebook, Google, identity. UID field, nickname field, username. Interesting. Okay. Kind of fun. Yeah, Haskell's cool. Oh, I don't think we're doing anything together for it. I don't know. Runtime. Yeah, this makes sense. That makes sense. String, port, blah, blah. Yeah. I mean, a bunch of these, like, generally speaking, they kind of make sense, I guess. But I don't really get... It's all lexical LSP using Mason. I think so, yeah. I just installed it. I don't know. But it's not... I don't know. I just scuffed up the LSP thing last night because I was trying out all the different LSPs. Because I was interested in a few different options. So, okay, sure. So we get these, clone the project here, config. So, but this doesn't show how you would think about storing this into like a database. Like, I kind of want to see how are people imagining that you would do this once you have an actual database with this. Do they have any schemas here? I don't think they do in this one, right? They even have any ecto things inside of here? Like, they don't even have any... They don't even have one. So that one is... That's where I'm not as confident about what I should be doing. You could make a Christmas Core Fly Beats, use GitHub Auth. Oh, nice. Okay. Fly apps, live beats, like this. And this uses UberAuth? Or no? This uses something else? So I already have one that does... I already have an OAuth thing for Twitch going. That part's fine. Like, I have one where it's just Twitch. That works just fine. It's more like... I'm trying to figure out how... Account, sure. Identity. Provider. Accounts identity. Oh, cool. I have to check that. I should really just like read through this probably. This probably give me lots of info that I don't know how to do for Phoenix. Yeah, hey, thanks, Sudo. Thanks for hanging too. I'll be right back, chat. I gotta go run to the bathroom, maybe grab a little more coffee. We'll see. And then I gotta respond to something quick too. So I'll be right back. Speaking of shilling, did you guys know you can go to terminal.shop right now and you can purchase some artisan blend coffee while supplies last? All right. So this is interesting. So livebeats accounts.identity. Schema identities. Provider, provider token, provider email, provider login, provider name. Meta. Belongs to user, user. It's not like the 10x AI bros on Twitter. True. Just ain't for me. I'm going to try it at some point, like a serious try. Just haven't gotten around to doing it yet. Name, username confirmed at. Role. Has many identities. Identity. Interesting. So this lets you have more than one. Oh, okay. Let me understand. So you have an identity which has all of this provider info here. Got it. And it could be a bunch of different kinds of providers. Right now, he only implemented GitHub, maybe? If I'm understanding that correctly. GitHub registration change set. Identity change set. Identity change set valid. Okay, interesting. Yep. Then validate all these. User change map put. Settings change set. Validate email. Validate username. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think I'm following somewhat. Maybe we'll just clone this really quick so I can hop around here a bit faster. Accounts. Okay, we'll let that install and then we'll come back to it. Accounts. GitHub. State random string. Is there any other mailer, library, MP3 release, songs cleaner accounts? Huh. Okay. All right, so let's look at this accounts here. User topic. Okay, I should be doing more functions like this, I think. Just looking around at how he's I should be writing more little functions like this. That does seem like a good idea. List users, ops, repo all here, get users map. Yep, that makes sense. Users by active profile, admin. Update public settings. Update to users public settings and executes event. User by email, get user by ID, email. Okay. It's a single user. Get user ID. You're in the Phoenix context now. Yeah, I remember someone telling me about Phoenix context. I didn't really understand exactly what was going on from it last time. Update active profile, repo update all, broadcast active profile change. That's a good idea. Public setting change. Current user. Interesting. What is this broadcast? Phoenix PubSub broadcast app PubSub topic user.id. Interesting. Module message. Oh, cool. Okay. I should go user theme in VS Code. I have a simple solve for you, actually. Active profile user ID. Profile UID. The new ID. Okay, interesting. Register GitHub user. Get user by provider. Update. Otherwise, create a new one. Get user by provider. Sure. So this is the one you only has GitHub right here, but this would easily work if you added other providers, I guess, huh?
I want to do the combo moves. I want to feel like I'm the one who's in charge here.
I love that quote, dude. Oh man, that's a good one. Empty, just use NeoVim. There you go. So this is kind of interesting. I'm following along sort of what's going on here, right? So if we see register GitHub user, he calls that in OAuth controller here, right? Yep. Okay. Live beats OAuth callback controller. Interesting. With okay, client exchange, and get some info back and get a new user. Then we put flash welcome, login user. Okay. Yeah, okay. So I mean I'm following, right? Sign out GitHub client or live beats GitHub. Man, I am just seeing like a lot of things in Elixir that I don't regularly use so far, like just defp like this is nice, defp with some other things here, exchange response, like I don't usually use with that much, but it's a little interesting to see. Case, JSON decode, yeah. Fetch emails, do air. Oh, that's nice, yep. Okay, chat. So I guess the option right now is we could try and fix the CSS for Twitch chat and stuff today, which doesn't require us to do anything, or we can embark on this user adventure. I don't know. The user adventure is going to take quite a bit of work. I might have to do some of that. I might just try and do some of the user stuff off stream, because I think I'm just going to end up leaking like tokens. That seems like the most likely scenario to me. Is that we just end up leaking like a ton, and I really don't want to do that because that seems pretty annoying. So that's kind of where I am on that. Yeah, and I think we should maybe just consider doing this Uber Auth thing. Oops. And see what we can do there. Because this does seem pretty reasonable to try and do. Where is their? I just want to look at their like mix page. Or hex docs, I mean. Woot, I love me some Elixir. Strategies, request phase, callback, changelog. Because this all generally speaking like makes sense. The thing that I don't really get is like when you have it, I don't really get what you're supposed to do Afterwards. So I think I'll do that part later. Let's just go back to where we were doing shenanigans with chat, and we'll work on that instead. And then we'll come back to the idea of multiple different chat messages, because I think we're gonna get ourselves in trouble trying to sort that out. Yeah, we'll do auth and everything later. I already have auth for Twitch working. It's the thing I was trying to figure out is how we could link like Twitch and YouTube and like X all together into one account, but it's just not really worth it for right now. Okay. Right, so we were originally going to write this. Yeah, oh, we do have a scratch already. User thoughts. Live Beats does a great job of showing quick and simple auth. Yeah, I actually just literally looking at Live Beats and how they did it. Yeah. So I already have I already have that you can log in with Twitch. That part's not the like difficult part. It's just like multiplexing over the different ones, thinking how that could work. All right. So first though, what we need to do is we need to go back to our chat handler here, and we should have a chat message belongs to Twitch user here, chat messages, field text. We could just use, I guess. Does this have an ID when we make one? Query, chat message, insert, event, chat, message. No, it doesn't have an ID yet. Describe your intent, please. I just got here. Right now we're gonna go back and we're gonna work on updating the chat situation we have right here. I'm gonna give up on the users thing for right now because it's too long of a detour today. All right, so we need to put an ID inside of here. I guess the easiest option, the simplest option right now, is we could have like an ephemeral ID that just goes on the chat event itself. That's actually pretty easy. We can just go here and we can go, let's actually just use, I forgot how we wrote type struct everywhere, but I like that one better. Type struct, typed struct. Okay. We'll do this. We'll go enforce true do, and let's take all of these here and we'll have field ID. Do I have a UUID thing? What did I say that this ID's type would be? I just said string. Okay, we'll just do string then, that's fine. String T. Field user is mixery.twitch. Nope, it must be there. And message is, oh, I didn't realize we have an actual message type here, and then we have field is first message today here. Oh, and then I need to delete all of these. Yeah, I know that went crazy back there, so that's fine. One sec, chat. So now we need to go back to here, because this is going to say, hey, you said that this needs to have an ID. So let's make UID like this. Let's just go here. We'll just give it a random ID. It doesn't really matter. To do this should be the ID from Twitch chat, but it doesn't really matter right now. Okay. All right. So that's fine. Not fine. Oh, probably we're making this somewhere else, huh? Event chat is first message today. Keys must be given when building struct event chats. Where is that here? Chat handler 103. Event chat message pick Test. Oh, we just don't even need this one. That's not a thing that we need anymore. Nice. Okay. So now what we should have is every chat that comes in should have.
You give me
Still
so
scammer,
much
do I have
at
my
one
points back yet?
time. Yes, I
Bisco,
do.
I still did your thing, but whatever. I'll give you 50 coins back. Or whoops, I mean give. Beastco, 50. What is it not? What? Is it not give or send?
Made it properly tail recursive. Like,
Oh, I think it works,
OCaml is
Bisco. It's
actually
just
my
that I
favorite.
needed to refresh. Well, maybe you got 100 points, Bisco. You deserve it. All right, so now we should have on each chat should have an ID. So we should be able to go phx hook is chat message. And then is it just key, or it's key, or is it ID? ID, I think, is chat dot. Oh yeah, we could say that instead. So I think that should work. Scammed, I'll let you know if I got too many. You can take them back. Test. So will this disappear after a second? Let's test this out in localhost 4000 overlay. What did I make this path that actually works in the browser? Router. Overlay live. There's overlay web. Got it. Web. This browser's just for teach. Am I not logged in? Dashboard. Guess not. I'll log in. Nice. That's working then, huh? Overlay web. I need to turn this one off right now because otherwise it won't make any sense. Test. Okay, cool. So it shows up right here. And then I would have thought that we should get something showing up here for anything happening. But I guess not. Okay, so let's go to our app.js. Hook. Console. Oh, mounted. Whoops. Mounted chat message. This.l. Something like this. Test. I thought that would have console logged it. No. I wonder if I need to restart the page or refresh the page. Test. No. Okay, let's check our app. Our app.js. Is it in here? Chat message. It is. Not the updated one, though. Not the updated one. Interesting. Do I need to refresh the whole Elixir thing to get that to notice that it needs to rebuild? Or did I put it in the wrong spot? I actually can't remember. I can't remember how I did that. JS app.js. Chat message here. Do I have a different static assets app.js? No, that can't be right. Interesting. Why is that not getting rebuilt? Oh, there we go. Build started. Change JS app finished. Okay. We'll refresh the page. Do I need to hard refresh? That's kind of weird, is it not? What's going on there? Okay. Maybe I had scuffed something up with the reload before. Okay, that's pretty weird. Overlay web. No, assets, JS, app.js. Okay, so it didn't work again. Loading this app.js. I would have thought that we should see a rebuild there. Maybe I need to... Maybe there's something going on with caching. No, I already have disable cache on. loading this. Nope, so that one's not it. Chat message. Okay, so why am I not getting the updated one there? I don't think so, but at one point it did get messed up from something else. Yeah, how did we... Build started, it says. Build started, build finished. Okay. Chat message. Chat message. You can see a special var WebSocket live reload. Yeah, so it's definitely noticing, right? Because I thought did we get a... Oh, this one maybe doesn't consider it a change. I don't know. Chat message. Let me see. Config dev es build. He's building install and run source map inline watch. Space check origin code reloader debugger watchers. Yeah. No, I don't. Yeah, and I mean, like, I've built it before, so I don't know why it wouldn't. I'll restart this and see if this does anything here. Yeah, it's not chat message. Yeah, what did I could have sworn in the past that I didn't have to change anything else besides that. App.js. And I literally just added chat message not that long ago. So I don't know how it's not noticing this like right now. Like this should, so we get a new build, we get this. Try a different browser. Dashboard. Sources. That should be right here. Focus. Thanks, Bisco. It won't work inside there, I don't think. I got to turn it on over here for it to play.
How would you say your mental focus is?
Oh, it's focused.
Thanks, Bisco. Well, I don't actually want that to be on here right now. We'll give it a quick ChatGPT to see if there's an obvious thing that we should be doing. Disable cache. Like, I'm gonna see my balance. Now I can see my balance. You did give me 52 money. You can take them back if you want. No, it's okay, Bisco. You probably lost some earlier anyways. Give me some options of things to try to see why Elixir Phoenix is not reloading my app.js file. Yeah. Priv. Maybe it shouldn't be in static. I don't know. It's in static. Assets, app.js. Right, that's here. We have chat message. No, it's right there. It's just not serving the right thing. Why wouldn't it be serving the right thing? Yeah, so it's getting updated right here. But then why is this not getting shipped to the front end? Not on visiting localhost. They're the same actually. Yeah, in the browser. Like, they're the same thing. They just get forwarded to the same situation actually, believe it or not. But maybe something's going weird with it not getting, maybe it's getting cached somewhere else. Oh, maybe there is some header scoofiness or something. That's pretty weird. Because it's literally the same server. Rewards.teach.tv. Like they're the same server. So I would have thought that they would do the same thing. Do I need to force something for it to, like something with Cloudflare? Does maybe there's like a header or something inside of here that this won't change? It doesn't seem right. Cloudflare caching could be, but I don't, because it's in static. How do I turn off caching for static? How do I turn off caching for static? Things in static path, so that Cloudflare doesn't cache them. I don't know. Endpoint cache control for static to no cache. Use it false cache control. No clash, no store, must revalidate. Okay. Plug.static. Do we have this somewhere? Yeah, that makes sense. Assuming that this is a real thing. Assuming that that's a real option. We'll try that. And we'll see. I don't know if I'll need to like hard refresh this or something. Or if that will even, maybe that doesn't even do anything. Sources. Is it already cached? Okay. It's a little annoying. I guess it actually doesn't matter because this overlay, I wonder if there's a way for me to see what is getting printed to this. Let's just try this really quick. Test. Oh, hey. Oh, nice. So it's working on my overlay. We can just test it from there. We just won't be able to, because that's connecting to the local one. So maybe at some point Cloudflare will update this, but that's fine. So this removes it in 1 second. We'll try this in 5. Yeah. So we should see yeah, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Nice. Okay, so that works. So we can do this for like 30 seconds or something like this, maybe, or maybe 15. That seems pretty good. That'll just remove them after 15 seconds. Wow, incredible. Right, so then that'll delete them in a little bit. So now we can go back to solving the other problems here. Yeah. So that'll just wait a little bit and then they'll get deleted. So now we just have to do the actual CSS side. And we'll sort that out later. Why do this via hook and not live Vue.js? What do you mean? Give an example. Oh, it gets redrawn every time. Oh, I didn't even think about that. Okay, so instead maybe what we should do is inside of overlay. This is actually easier because we can go here and we could say the time based on message length. We should have a chat right here. So I think isn't this, we can go, do I have process inside of this one already? Process send after. Yeah, so it's like send after self, go remove chat, and we can say message dot ID, right? Does it have message ID, right? Does it, chat has ID? Yeah. So then we would just need to do process send after. Oh no, that's not right. This is time. Message, we need to go like this. Remove chat, message ID, like this. And we could say, is this seconds? Time is in milliseconds. Time is in milliseconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We could do this, right? And then we can just take this option here. And we say, okay, we've got a new message here. And it's remove chat ID. We'll say message ID maybe. And then this here. And we just say update sockets. Notifications. And we can say enum.filter. Only those elements for which function returns a truthy value. So this would be notifications. Oh, we probably just do a sign here. We'll write it this way for a sec. Function message not equal. Is this not equal? I forgot in this language. Message.id not equal to whoopsies. Message ID. Oh, end. Whoops. Sorry, chat. Sorry. Okay, so I think that would work. Let's make this a little bit shorter. Let's make this just like 1 second for now. Sure, I'll take a look. Oh, did I accidentally do concat? No, this is update. Oh, no, it's just not not equal. Thank you. Yep. Okay. So we go test. Hello world. This is Tej. Yeah, nice. So those just disappear after a second. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Yeah, I have looked at streams already a little bit, like this. So I have used streams already a little. Oh, I didn't know that one. Prepend for delete. Stream works as you practice stream delete. Socket user. Yeah, we could try it. Well, we're not keeping the whole list in state anyways. We're just taking the last 10 messages. So like in this case, it's not it's good intuition to have. Yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. I think we probably just go like this, and we just change this to be like 15 seconds. And then now we just say hello, and then we'll wait for 15 seconds, and then that should turn off. So that's good. And other chats should also do the same. So that's nice. You have a huge list, then it makes sense. Yeah, I have it for other ones. I did it for a few other things, but I don't think I need it for this one. Okay, so then the next thing we need to do is we need to sort this like we actually wanted to for a Twitch chat situation, which is we need these to show up at the bottom, and then we need them to, I guess we don't need to do this anymore either. We don't need to do the hooks thing, and we don't need to have this either. Use Rust for work or other language? I've used Rust for work, yeah. I mean, this is currently my job, so sometimes I haven't written anything in Rust on stream in a while, but I have written quite a fair amount of Rust, I would say. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need these to be at the bottom. Now, I guess I don't really know. Oh, right. We had gotten this, and I was interested to see what order auto, overflow hidden, flex, overflow Y, auto, P4 flex, call reverse, W full max W. Overflow Y auto, interesting. Height 500 pixels. Does this work for us if we try and do this? Height 500 pixels. I actually don't even know this will work. And again, if you use streams, the easier set the order of a given DOM should be, i.e. insert at index -1 versus 1. Yeah, we could maybe think about doing that. I mean, we could also just, it's actually, the order is not the issue right now. It's that I want them drawn. I want them drawn down here. Right. I want them drawn right here. You have a JS push remove item value, chat ID here, JS transition, ease in out duration time to some. Let us see this. Let me paste this down here for where we had filter or remove chat. Chat ID, transition time to some, push, remove item, value ID, JS transition. Is remove item a thing? Like, how would I make this then also remove it from the list of items here? JS transition, time to 3, some element. I don't know what this is supposed to do. Push allows you to extend the built-in push event handling with Phoenix event is push to server. For example, you may wish to target a specific component. Start at the source of truth with your live view state, then let the system draw. I think that's what I'm doing, right? This basic Phoenix click. Imagine you need to target your current component and apply a loading state to the parent container while the client awaits the server acknowledgement. JS push ink loading. Target myself. Push commands also composed with other utilities. For example, to add a class when pushing. JS push loading thermo. Any Phoenix value attributes will also include the payload. Their values will be overwritten by values directly to push. Phoenix target will also be used and not overwritten. Limit 40. This value will be 40. Oh, px value limit, yeah. But you're saying I could set a particular I could set a particular, like, I could send this event. JS push sends this event. Got it. And then this pushes an event back to the server. So instead of doing this, we would send this JS push. Oh, I would have a separate remove item. But how would I do it so that when it's getting drawn, it doesn't just go away? Like, because I have the element like before, so I would be worried that it would just disappear. Or I remove it from the list of notifications when I'm done. Or, I mean, list of chat messages. I shouldn't say notifications. But I do see what you guys are saying, right? Is like, okay, so remove chat should call remove item. And remove item will do the thing that removes something with a particular ID. We can make that so that it transitions with like an ease in out duration 300. Like, okay, so I'm following, right? So then we can reuse that to remove any other elements we wanted from the screen. I don't know how much of a win that is for me. I don't know how many times I need to, like, I'm going to need to do exactly this remove. We already do something like this anyways with like the audio. And some of these other ones, audio player, this. Because we have app.js points live view, it does DOM stiff via WebSocket, which only sends the state change. Right, but I'm saying if I remove the item from the list of elements, right? Like, I have to wait till the transition is done before I can remove it from the list of elements, right? Is that not the case? All Welcome, welcome. The following modal can be shown or hidden at the top without a trip to the server. Hide modal. Yes, live view JS. No, LVJS will allow you to inject mid animation. That's what you think you're asking? I don't know. Yeah, it's okay. Transition, fade out scale, modal, content, modal, class, Phoenix modal, feature move, hide modal. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so this is like you can define a function that does hide. This just does a bunch of JS shenanigans. Yeah, I know which one you're talking about. In core components, you're saying hide. Inside here, you're saying something. Are you saying something else, like this one? To selector time, but it just this hides it. It doesn't actually remove it from the DOM or anything, right? So then I would have to. How do I then actually clean up the element when I'm done? Like, do I wait 200 seconds and then I remove it myself? That's the part I don't really get. Like, the removing is based on the state. Right, so how do I wait? That's what I'm saying. So I want to know how when I look at modal, animation, and event. Yeah, but that seems like really scuffed. That seems super scuffed that I would have to go do all of this. Like, surely this is a thing that happens more often than that. So, I mean, I'm looking at this. This just makes it look like you hide the modal. I don't know what to do when so I click away from it. Then what happens? Phoenix remove, maybe? I don't know what this is. Work with Phoenix update to figure out how the volume values were replaced. Stream ignore. When using Phoenix update, a unique DOM ID must be present using stream for each child. The ignore. Got it. Oh, cool. Oh, well, that's nice. I didn't know I could just do this. JS transition animate ping 500. Okay, cool. Nice. To react elements being removed on them, features remove, maybe specified to connect features live JS command to execute ph only be executed for the remove parent element does not cascade to children. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so when it's removed, it says it needs to hide these. Oh, okay. So I can remove it, but it'll do these first. Okay, cool. So let's try and do this then. We'll do something similar to this idea. Let's do def hide chat, and this is I guess I need ID. Wait, where did we make like chat message ID? Oops. I don't even think I need this fade out. I can just do this, right? And then this would be can inject midstream, hide chat, handle info, remove chat, message ID here. So we'll remove the chat here. Hide chat. Okay, so when I go... If I go back to... Let's just go way up here. I need to break these out into some components anyways too, but we'll just leave this for a sec here. Okay, so when I go to my chat message here... Whoops. Yeah, right here. I want to change this to say Phoenix remove is hide chat. Oh, but this is... We'll go like this. Oh, but this needs to be an ID, right? Do I need to I probably need to specify this as an ID. Right? Or do I need to do it with something else? I don't know. I guess we'll see. I should change the timeout for this too. Let's try this again. It didn't really seem like... I guess it's hard to tell. I guess I should pick a different animation, right? I should pick a different animation besides just like fade out. What are some other transition ones that we can do? JS hide. Where can I read all of them? JS hide transitions, Elixir. To defaults to the interacted element. Oh, so maybe I just don't even need to say this. I don't know. We'll leave it right here for now. Ease out duration 300. Sure, we'll try this. There's just CSS via tailwind. Okay. It doesn't really look like that's working, does it? Can I just remove this then? Because this is going to just do this element here, and then this should be like this, I think. And then we'll try this again. Can I change this duration to be like way longer? I don't know if this is even working. It doesn't really seem like it's working. Because it doesn't... I don't think I'm doing this right. Hide will need a target. Yeah. Okay, so we'll try this. Sure, we can try it. Did I scuff this? All right, I gotta put chat here. Sorry. It doesn't look like it's working at all. Because so maybe this is where I should be using a stream instead. Because the stream can track which ones are getting added and removed. Like if I use a stream, will that solve this problem? I'm okay with switching to a stream. I did it one time earlier, or no. So the stream is only for managing the state. Okay. Is there like a different... Do I need to call like a JS? Is there a JS like... Focus, remove... Wait, or should it be instead that remove? Should remove be the one that updates the state like here, and then what I do is I don't know. I don't really get it. I think I'm missing something here for it. Push events, click, yeah. We're not gonna do a click. We're doing it based on just like a time. So I would probably want to do a JS push. I want to do something. Do I do something here instead where it's like when I go to remove chat, should this be a JS push? I don't know. Interesting. Because what did I do when I did this before, which maybe this is like a not good strategy. I just put these here and then I removed them and then I sent an event that we were done, which I wasn't really in love with because this feels kind of like pretty annoying. This one I needed to do, I think, a little bit more like this because it wasn't clear how long the media was going to take to play and some other stuff like this. Not sure. All right, I got to go, though. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.